Hello everyone! In this video we are going to be discussing how to create banners for your school website, just like this one here. Okay, let's get started. So I make all my banners on Canva. It is just quick, easy, simple to do, so we're going to get started. Most important thing to do, first thing to do, is to create your own account. So you're going to log in with your own email address, password, and then you're going to make sure that your account is an education account. It doesn't have to be, but it does help because there are free features with an education account. Next, you're going to create a design. Now, you're always going to create a design no matter what you're doing. That's the first thing you're going to do, create a design. This case, for your banner, the dimensions are going to be in pixels, and it's going to be 1633 by 699. You're going to go ahead and click Create New Design. And the wonderful thing about Canva is that they do create and have templates available for you that make it really easy to use. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and lock this so that way it doesn't move because it's in the background there. Okay, now I'm going to select all of this and make it a tad smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to add the date. First day school starts, right? Just so everybody knows. August 14th. Okay, I'm going to stretch it out. I'm going to center it. We can make this text a bit smaller. Now this is all up to you, how you want it to look. It is an artistic preference. But let's just say we're done. Maybe we can make that a bit bigger. Okay, let's just say we're done now. We're going to go ahead and name it accordingly. Back to school 23-24. Download. PNG will work fine in this case. Now we're going to go ahead and log in to our school website. Now you can only change your banner if you are a website editor and you have those abilities. So you're going to log in here just like you normally would, first name dot last name, and then the password that you use for everything else. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and turn on design mode. Okay, now things look a little bit different. See, we have editing abilities. See all that? Okay, we're going to turn on the pencil and we're going to edit. Alright, now here we're going to insert our image. Now we're going to choose the folder it's going to go into. In this case it'd be banners. And I'm going to put it in this folder here. Now you can add any folder that you like. In this case I'm going to add it in the new banners folder. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to select the file that is on my computer. And now I'm going to upload. Okay, double click. Right, so now we see the image is there. We're going to give it a title. Now the title would be something like this: on-site campus registration, we are hiring. Those are the titles. So in this case, back to school. Welcome back. School begins August 14th. Now, if you want to or you need to, you can always insert a link, just like here, but you don't always need one. See, in this case, we did not include a link. So it's not always necessary. Okay, now that we're done, we're going to add image. Okay, and we'll see it right there. And then we're going to publish. Now we're going to go ahead and look for it just to be sure it uploaded correctly. There it is, back to school. And we're done. That's how you add a banner to your school website. I hope that helped. Thanks, guys.